Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another 10-minute drop challenge inside of Ableton. This week, we're conquering trap. Famous last words. And this week's genre was suggested by you guys. Ping! And hopefully it won't be as stressful as the future-based 10-minute challenge. Oh my god, 2.5 minutes. 1 minute, oh my god. What even is that? What am I doing? I mean, I was really cutting it down to the wire with that one. My god, it was like 3 minutes to go and I hadn't even done the chords and I was stressing. Like I said, this week's gonna be dedicated to trap. We'll see how it goes. I'll do my best, guys. I'll do my best. Alright, here we go. And let's begin. Countdown in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so like every 10-minute drop challenge, I'm gonna do some drums first. I was already plotting out my drums. Dece. Alright, we want a tight, punchy kick, and then we want a fat 808. Yep, I'm gonna go with E today. I normally do it in F or F sharp, but you know, fuck that. Anyway, everybody needs to change it up here and there. I'm gonna hip hop. I'm gonna hop over to the Secrets Drum expansion pack and pick me out a snare, heavy snare. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those trap tracks. Is that even a... Alright, so the kick and the 808 don't clash. I'm gonna add a little fade to this 808. I feel like that's something new. Oh no, I bet Herobus has like done it before or something like that, but that's feeling new, like intense sidechain. Oh yeah. Why am I in triplets? Although that could be a cool idea. I'm gonna bust it up to 12 semitones, which is an octave. That's... Fatty! Bum bum bum. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's there. Sick! And we'll glue compress that together. That completely changed like the tonality of the 808. Love it. Alright, we need some... Oh, what do we need? I didn't even know what we need. Fuck it, that's going in. How much? Why am I looking at the face cam for the time? 7 minutes to go. Maybe that could be some like offbeat things. That is super punch already. I don't know what I'm doing! Oh shit. Oh, we also need hi-hats. Shit. Don't stress, don't stress. Once I do these hi-hats, I'm gonna get to like the main lead of the trap, like the... Oh my god, I should have done this in MIDI, it would have been 10 times easier. But I like to do things the hard way, because I'm a twat. Oh, yeah. And a bit of skirt. Why am I doing the hi-hats? I don't even know how the lead's gonna go. The hi-hat should be... Alright, master is clipping. We can fix that. Yeah, fuck it. We'll add a glue compressor. 5 minutes to go and he's done the drums. What a complete melon. and a limiter. I just love the drums. That's my like go-to thing whenever I'm no, I don't need waves, I need sound toys. When I'm making a track, I always start with the drums, which is fucking ridiculous, and I shouldn't do that. I don't even think I need hi-hats yet. Okay, no, we're gonna do the lead, and it's gonna be fat. What am I going to do for this lead? Maybe we'll get a one shot. And then we will fuck with it. What are we in E? So 11? Let's do some intense processing. Have we done OTT? We've done OTT. We're gonna do a little micro shift. Can I consolidate that? Yes, I can. All right, this is gonna make things easier. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Sidechain, sidechain, sidechain. 3. Okay, we're doing okay for time. You know, it's not a stressful environment yet. Why did I say yet? It's not a stressful environment, full stop. Alright, we need some Hundies reverb on this beach. If I had time, I'd use echo, but I don't have time. Alright, hi-hat. That can be like the second half, maybe? The thing I love about little micro shift is when you do like Hundies, it introduces like some delay since it's so wide, so your sound comes in like maybe like 8 milliseconds after the initial time it should come in. So it needs more compression. I want it to be louder, and I think the sidechain is fucking with that loudness. We need some more kind of leady tings. Yeah, that could work. Okay, we're in E, so. You know what? I'm feeling optimistic. I'm gonna make this 8 bars. Because it's got to do the classic. Second one, we can change that up to maybe another lead one shot with some Hundies effects. Oh, it's gonna cut that. Oh no, it's not. Oh, good, Ableton. Maybe some this. It needs like a, if anybody's ever heard the trap song, is it the Flostradamus remix of Bauer's Roll Up, or the other way around, Bauer's remix of Flostradamus Roll Up? It does this Hundies thing whenever a 808 comes in. I kind of want to replicate that. Da, 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 da. Woo! It's such a, yeah, kind of like that actually. So let's try that. Okay, it's not working. Maybe if we sidechain that as well, strip the bottom. 30 seconds. Fuck. Panic mode. Full panic mode. Fuck. It's not even key. What key is it? What? G. So. Nah, 6 seconds. Shit. This is it, guys. This is it. It's all over. It's all over. 2. Well, fuck it. Yeah, just no. Mean. Alright, actually pretty happy with that. It was like 5 minutes in. Oh, done the drums. What's next? Basically the rest of the track. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple more things which will take like 2 seconds and see if this works. That's not too bad for 10 minutes. So we got to do the classic thing of loading up Ozone on the master. My goodness. Yeah, just maximize. Just you know. Fuck that. That's loud. What happens if the OTT goes after the reverb? That'd be pretty cool. Alright, let's give it the final listen and then that will be that. Let's go from the top. If you're expecting me to dab or do some trap arms, I'm still recovering from that incident, you know? That gets a rewind so I can do my first dab of the year. So that is that. I want to thank every single one of you for watching, and I guess I'll catch you guys in the next episode, and peace.